Hey guys, my name is Eric Obregon. I am the RSM for Reflection. Here today standing in front of the 226 RK. This is officially the shortest and the lightest fifth wheel in our entire lineup. You'll notice here we got the rear entry. Why don't we go on in, take a look and see what this unit has to offer. All right guys, so here we are inside the 226 RK. As I previously mentioned, it is our shortest and lightest fifth wheel in our lineup. It comes in just under 27 feet, weighs roughly 7,200 pounds. Okay, so for those of you that are looking to tow something behind this fifth wheel in a state that allows it, it's going to really help keep you under that overall length restriction in your particular state. And for you guys, campgrounds, you're going to national parks, things like that. Most of the time, you're going to be a little bit more restricted in terms of what your overall length can be for those particular campsites. So with this coming in under 27 feet, you should be able to find the majority of the campsites will be able to accommodate this size unit for you. Okay. One of the first things I want to point out is the shoe storage here. It's a first of its kind. We do not have this in any other Reflection floor plan. We've kind of brainstormed as a team and decided, look, man, this is something that we really need to start integrating. So you've got shoe storage, you got a couple drawers here, and you got some nice extra countertop space here for a little buffet area if you want. Over on this side, you'll notice, we started to integrate the USB and Usbc ports in all the living room and bedrooms. So you'll see that here as well as the 110 outlet there. Okay. Over here, you're going to notice the dinette table. Okay. We used to have another floor plan, the 220 RK, where we didn't have the additional seating in here. So now you've got your booth dinette on this side, and you've got your theater seats over here. Okay. The great thing about this is your seating is directly across from your TV. Okay, so you're not having to crank your neck one way or another to watch your TV. It's directly across from you. You also got a nice big window on your campsite. All right, so you got a nice viewing angle of your campsite here. One other thing I wanted to point out here with the booth. So you got your live edge table, okay, with your traditional booth dinette. Most booth dinettes, when you find it in a lot of our competitor floor plans, they're going to have two bars down here. So you got two knee knockers. It's a little bit more inconvenient on converting it down to a bed. Here you got your telescoping pedestal, just like you'll find in other floor plans. Our 260RD and our 31MB, very easy to use, very easy to convert down into a bed area. You'll notice over here, guys, the new look refrigerator. This is now our 10 cube 12 volt fridge. All Reflections now are going to start coming standard with the 12 volt refrigerators. All right. Fully equipped with solar. You do have a 165 watt solar panel on the roof, prepped and wired for the inverter, and then you're going to have a 50 amp charge controller up in the battery bank compartment. All right, and then you're still going to get all your nice features that you're used to seeing in your bigger Reflections. So your 30-inch over the range microwave here. You got your range here. It's still going to be fully equipped with your Compass Connect, your roller shades, your auto leveling. Again, all the main features that you find in your bigger Reflections, you're still going to find it here in the 150 series and the 226 RK that we're standing in. I'd like to point out too, guys, you're going to have 14 cabinet doors throughout, as well as 9 drawers in this floor plan. So plenty of storage space for a small footprint here. You'll notice all the drawers, cabinet doors over here. So again, plenty of storage for all your belongings to take with you on your camping trip. We'll head up here into the bathroom area. Standard bathroom that you'll find in all 150 series. Okay, so again, you got the vanity up above the toilets for extra storage there. And then your bedroom, you got the north-south bed. Guys, you'll notice that we do not have a wardrobe slide in the 150 series. A lot of that has to do with the weight and making sure that we're minimizing the pin weight. Okay. But what you will find is we got the same amount of storage in this bedroom without the wardrobe slide that we do with our wardrobe slide. So it's the same amount of cubic foot in terms of storage space. And then you'll find the additional closet space over here with 4 drawers underneath. And then you get your doors up here for your wardrobe items. Again, we're in the 226 RK. If you ever need any more information on it, like to see anything else, feel free to visit our website for some more information.